we were driving on the highway, another driver struck us, and I flew right out the windshield. If I would have been wearing my seatbelt, I wouldn't be embarrassed to go walk around in public.
75% of crash deaths and injuries occur within 25 miles of home. More than half of all injury-producing motor vehicle crashes involve low speeds under 40 miles per hour. Approximately 35,000 people die in motor vehicle crashes each year. About 50% of these people could be saved if they wore their safety belts. Dylan, come on, you need to buckle your seatbelt.
Yeah, you can get hurt if you don't.
Safety comes first.